Hey, welcome guys. So let's solve this 567 permutation in a string. Okay, so given two string S1 and S2, return true if S2 contains a permutation of S1 for the R1. So for example, S1 is AB or S2 is EIDBAOO. So right, so you can see there BA is here, right? So AB EIDBAOO. Right, so these two. Okay, so AB, but if you change your EIDBAOO, then this will not be the case, right? Because it's not substring. So substring need to be contiguous. Okay. And the key idea to solve this problem is that S1 and S2 consider only a lower cases. Okay, so let me just tell you how to do this. Okay, so in general, so for example, you cannot one simple idea is that you just take, let's say this is S, this is T. Okay, you can take this, and compare each of them, right? So you just need to compare where EI is the permutation of AB, ID is a permutation of AB, DB is permutation of B, BA is permutation of AB, right? Yeah, basically we just need to do this, right? But we can do a much clearer way, right? We can, let's say we can create a dictionary. Let's say H2. Let's create a dictionary for H1, which is A, which A mapped to 1, B mapped to 1. And I can create also H2, where H2 initialized to be E mapped to 1, I mapped to 1. Okay, we compare these two, right? They are different. So I shift it for another, right? And when I shift it, I can just immediately delete the first one and add the D, right? So I just D mapped to 1. Okay, and it's not the same. I immediately go to D and B, so I delete B. Sorry, I delete I and add B. So at each time when I doing this sliding window or rolling hash approach, I only do the constant amount of work to adding a key and deleting a key. So this is just the constant. Okay. So then I go B and I see they are different, right? They are different. So I do the BA. So I delete B and add A. Okay, so now they are the same. Okay, but how to do this fast, right? So this is the key idea. Okay, so and then there are only 26 characters, right? So actually I can initialize like my H1 to be C mapped to 0, D mapped to 0, and also H2 become initialized. So H2 initialized to be everything to be 0. Okay, so if length S2 less than S1 return false, this is trivial, right? Because their length is different. Now H1, H2 be now empty and create 26 character such that both are 0. Okay, and for I in S2, H1I plus or equal to 1. Okay, and for S2 initialized from length S1, I create 1. Okay, so these are initialized. Then I go through for length S2 minus length S1, right? Because if we bypass this, then I don't care, right? They will not match. If they are the same, I return true. If they are different, I delete the first one and add the final one. Okay, so this is a rolling hash. So this only takes a constant time. Okay, so I think the complexity is 26 times n. It's 26 times the number of S2. Okay, so this is I think this is the 26 times length of S2. This is the complexity, because for each node I only delete 1, and I only need, and I think compared to dictionary is very fast. Especially there are 26 of them. Okay, so it's constant. So this comparison is constant, and this is constant, and so we are both basically it's a linear time. Okay, and after that you finally need to do this, right? Because if we match up to the final one, then you need to return whether H1 equals to H2. And, okay, now this is a very, very fast approach, right? Called rolling hash, right? So almost faster 100. Okay, so see you guys in the next videos.